The two vitamins for overnight muscle recovery, not omega-3. What if I told you that you've been overlooking the most critical window for muscle growth? You're spending money on expensive protein powders, you're chugging fish oil capsules, and you're killing yourself in the gym. But you are missing the one simple trick that can supercharge your recovery and rebuild muscle tissue while you sleep. And it has nothing to do with these. In fact, for pure muscle rebuilding power, you might want to forget omega-3 supplements for a second. Today we're talking about the two most underrated vitamins you should be taking at night to wake up stronger, leaner, and more recovered. Stay with me because this is going to change your entire approach to fitness and recovery. Forget omega-3. The two night vitamins for overnight muscle growth. The nightly opportunity. Let's start with a fundamental truth. You don't build muscle in the gym. The gym is where you create the stimulus, the micro tears in the muscle fibers. But the actual building, the repair, and the growth that happens when you're at rest. And the deepest, most potent rest you get is during sleep. Your body enters a state of anabolic recovery. Human growth hormone, HGH, is pulsating. Testosterone is doing its thing, and your body is desperately searching for the raw materials to patch everything up. If you don't provide those raw materials, you're leaving gains on the table. You're waking up only 70% recovered. So what are the two most crucial, sleep-enhancing, muscle-supporting vitamins that act as the ultimate construction crew for your body overnight? Number 1, magnesium, and number 2, vitamin D. Vitamin number 1, magnesium, the recovery conductor. First up, magnesium. Now you might be thinking, I get magnesium from my food. And you might be. But if you're active, if you train hard, you are depleting magnesium at a staggering rate. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. And when it comes to sleep and muscle recovery, it is an absolute superstar. Here's why you must take magnesium before bed. First, the nervous system switch off. Magnesium is a natural relaxant. It binds to GABA receptors in your brain. GABA is the neurotransmitter that tells your nervous system to calm down, to switch off. After a day of stress and a tough workout, your nervous system is stuck in fight or flight mode. Magnesium is the key that turns the engine off. This means you fall asleep faster, and more importantly, you enter deep, slow-wave sleep more efficiently. And why is deep sleep so crucial for muscle? Because that's when the majority of HGH is released. No deep sleep, no growth hormone, subpar muscle repair. It's that simple. Second, the direct muscle connection. Magnesium is a natural calcium channel blocker. When a muscle contracts, calcium flows in. When it needs to relax, magnesium kicks the calcium out and takes its place. If you're low in magnesium, your muscles can't fully relax. This leads to those annoying twitches, cramps in the middle of the night, and overall muscle tightness. By taking magnesium at night, you're giving your muscles the direct command to relax and repair, preventing cramps and ensuring a full recovery. So what type of magnesium should you take? Avoid magnesium oxide. It's poorly absorbed. Look for magnesium glycinate or bisglycinate. This form is highly bioavailable and gentle on the stomach. Take 300-400 milliliters about 30-60 minutes before you hit the pillow. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D, the anabolic regulator. Now, this one might surprise you. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, at night? Isn't that for daytime? Hear me out. While getting natural sun is fantastic, the timing of your supplementation is what we're optimizing for here. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin. It functions more like a hormone in your body, and it has a profound impact on muscle function and growth. Reason 1. Testosterone and hormonal symphony. Vitamin D receptors are found all over the body, including in muscle tissue. Studies have consistently shown a correlation between optimal vitamin D levels and healthy testosterone levels. Testosterone is, as you know, a primary anabolic, muscle-building hormone. Reason 2. Direct muscle protein synthesis. Emerging research indicates that vitamin D plays a direct role in the process of muscle protein synthesis, the actual mechanism of building new muscle tissue. It helps regulate the nuclei within your muscle cells, essentially turning on the machinery needed for repair and growth. If you're deficient, that machinery is running at half speed. But why at night? Unlike a stimulant, vitamin D won't keep you awake. By taking it with your last meal or before bed, you're ensuring a steady supply is in your bloodstream as your body enters its reparative sleep cycles, working in synergy with the magnesium you've just taken. Think of it like this. Magnesium is the project manager that shuts down the job site for the night and directs the crew. Vitamin D is the foreman that reads the blueprints and makes sure the construction, the muscle rebuilding, happens correctly. The omega-3 reality check and synergy. Now let's be clear. I'm not saying omega-3s are bad. They are fantastic for reducing systemic inflammation, supporting joint health, and brain function. They are a great general health supplement. But for the specific targeted goal of maximizing overnight muscle repair and sleep quality, magnesium and vitamin D are in a league of their own. In fact, when you combine the powerful anti-inflammatory effect of omega-3s with the deep sleep and anabolic support of these two nighttime vitamins, you have a truly unstoppable recovery stack. But if you had to prioritize for overnight muscle rebuilding, the clear winners are magnesium and vitamin D. Your recovery protocol. So, here is your simple 4-step nightly protocol to start rebuilding muscle overnight. Get tested, especially for vitamin D. Talk to your doctor and get a blood test to know your baseline. You want your levels in the optimal range, not just the sufficient range. Supplement. Smart. Go and get a high-quality magnesium glycinate and a vitamin D3 supplement. D3 is the more absorbable form. Many experts recommend taking it with a source of healthy fat, like a spoonful of nut butter, to enhance absorption, which is perfect if you have a small pre-bed snack. Timing is everything. Take 300-400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate and 2,000-5,000 IU of vitamin D3, based on your blood test results, about 30 to 60 minutes before you go to sleep. Consistency is key. Make this a non-negotiable part of your nightly routine. Create a sleep sanctuary. Support your supplements. Put your phone away an hour before bed. Make your room cool, dark, and quiet. This isn't just fluffy advice. It's the foundation that allows these vitamins to work their magic. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling genuinely refreshed, without that deep-seated muscle soreness. Imagine hitting personal records in the gym because you're fully recovered. It all starts with what you do tonight. These are the ones I take every single night. No guesswork, just high-quality products that work. This video is about taking control of your recovery. If you found this information valuable, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we break down more science-backed strategies to optimize your health and performance. And I have a question for you. What's your biggest struggle with sleep or recovery? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. Now go recover like a pro. Good night.